We got the pad cut out for the greenhouse. It's gonna go right here. I don't know if you guys can see the little stakes. I got stakes showing the back two corners. That's the width of it. And the length of it is from there to about where I'm standing, so it's about 36 feet. And then there's a little bit, that's all spill and spoils back there, so it won't compact. I will eventually, but we're not going to build on that. So we're just building on the hard material. I'm going to go put a sprinkler on it, start settling some of that loose stuff back there. Still got a ways to go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these spars to get up. And I'm finding I can't do it by myself. I'm just not that strong. I'm getting tired. Apparently this dove really enjoys my work though. We got 2 pieces here that are just slightly offset. They're about 2 inches, and that'll be the top piece. And then the next piece down, the 2 pieces are parallel here. And that's what slips into this piece.
The elephants for the big top.
Yeah, we need some elephants. And then that whole thing drops in here just like that. All right, so we'll get going. Now for the fun part. We wrestled with this a little bit, getting these 2 lined up, as you can see. So, a little silicone spray, hammer it in real nice.
And now we'll see.
Now for the hard part. I'm gonna let you do it.
Hand's got to come around.
You guys want to swing that over for me? Let Doug do it so I can shoot video.
Keep coming.
Toward
me? Yeah, towards the end.
Yeah, keep going in. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. I'm gonna swing around here, get a shot. Okay. Oh, look at those. Went in right nice.
We started it. So
they started nice. A little silicone spray again. And then
strap.
We found out that the ratchet strap is invaluable for pulling it together. I think you got it, Doug. Just hook those.
Oh, I don't know if I got enough.
I loosened it up a little bit. Just pull that one. There you go. There you go. Now you got more than enough. Unless you set it way, way, way back there. I set it on the closest one so the angle wouldn't be as goofy. All right, so crank that, and we'll watch these guys just pull together. And it works so much better than trying to hammer the 2 ends. Ah, come on, baby. More muscle. Give her a crank. There. One more. One more. Yeah, that's it. There we are, nice and tight. So, you think I can get it up once it gets past center? You think you can go, or what?
2 people, can we lift?
Yeah.
We're only like this far off, George, 4 feet.
Yeah,
it's tall.
It's tall. Once you get up past the arm's reach,
then you can't really push much.
We'll find out. We'll go from here.
I thought you could be on the ladder and we could tilt it up. No, we can't.
Well, you kind of need somebody in the ladder holding it center.
Okay.
So, we'll give it a shot. Maybe 2 of us can walk it. Go ahead and put your end down.
Oh, yeah, I don't have to lift it up yet?
No, just set it down. There we go.
All right, we might have to walk it in a little.
Go step on the end, Bubby.
Get on the ladder. And then we can walk it back.
Okay, got it? Going up? Going up.
Oh, okay, we're gonna walk our side.
Okay.
Now let's come back.
Come back, hit the hole.
Hold on. Okay, we're close. Tell me when we're close.
Yeah, let Doug get up there next to the hole.
He has more experience.
Go ahead, Doug. Here we are. All right, right in.
Okay, let's see.
All right, Rick, you got yours?
You put a lot of pressure on me, Doug.
Look at that. Hit it the first try.
Very nice.
That's rare.
Got it.
All right. Cool.
You want me to
That
stop?
one's gonna be sloppy on that side. That's a different diameter pole. I bent the first one I started. Yeah, we can jump the braces. I think we might need another ladder, though.
We need 2 ladders.
But I got, well, of my other ladders. I needed a freestanding to get them up.
Maybe try a short spot.
Okay. Okay. Maybe I should find the instructions. Thanks, buddy. Good job. All right, here's where we are. Alright. What do you guys think? This thing's a beast. Okay. Working on my back wall. Coming together. Front wall up with big monster slider doors so I can drive my pickup through. Framing the back wall. Maybe this weekend I can do, if there's no wind. It's kind of windy today. If there's no wind,